Okay, I have the two quick video for a little class. I have a, I basically have the thing working now. Let's do a little demo on it. It's a little slowish, but I think it's expected because it is a big render image. So yeah, nicely things. I also normalize the URLs just to show base real. I don't really care about like the other like slashes and stuff. And it makes sense. So the boat node was sort of the root of all the things, and then all these GitHub links that were spawned out of here. Yeah. I'll definitely do another test later, but I just want to add one more handling, and I think this basically wraps up the project, which is the crawler perhaps, and we'll do so we have an application here. Probably is get job status handler, right? So we have an HTTP request writer. I guess it's a response writer actually. Response writer. HTTP dot request. Of course, it's a okay. So we have an application here, and it should be fairly straightforward. Yeah. App.config. Okay, so app.store.crawl. Actually, it is crawl jobs. Crawl jobs dot not update status. Get status. I don't have a get status. Oh no. Oh, get job ID. That should be it, right? Yeah, I think we could do that. Get job ID context, or probably the r dot context. Then we have this is a job ID, so we need to get the job ID somehow. Crawl job, and we have an error job ID. So we have here http.error. Okay, so I should probably add this here. r.url. Actually, it's probably chi.url param. Job ID. Actually, it just needs to be this. And then we put the job ID. Well, I need to parse this as well. uid dot parse. And I believe that turns us enabled parse uid, or I guess job ID http dot I think this is actually internal or bad request status, or http dot status bad request. Yeah. Alright, why are we complaining? Oh, we need to pass in I believe a request as well. We have a crawl job. we have unable to find job ID. HTTP dot status bad request. So crawl job error dot app dot store dot get out job. Okay, so we have crawl job and error and that. Okay, so now we have that. Okay, so I think we could just return our sure, I guess I could just should I just I guess I'm a little lazy, so we'll just do r.write we'll do json.marshall. Does this crawl job have some markings? It does. Yeah, I'll just use that as is. Marshall indent crawl job. JSON crawl job. Unable to parse. Yeah, let's just do that r.write and we'll do JSON. Probably some internal server. Internal server. Okay. We'll do more heavy. Actually, probably needs to add this though. We'll do some last day testing tomorrow, and then we'll be done with this project. I feel like I should have grouped this. r.route. Let's group these two because I feel like that would be useful. We'll call this jobs.